Alright folks, let's demystify the art of importing DSX files. First, we need to know why these files matter. They store all our data stage assets. Then we'll tackle the step-by-step import process. Don't worry, no rocket science involved. We also need to check prerequisites because who likes surprises? And finally, let's explore DataStage Designer where all the magic happens. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine DSX files as treasure chests holding your data stage work. They store everything from job designs to parameters, making your life easier. Without them, sharing or migrating projects would be like carrying water in your hands. Let's take a peek inside and see how they work. Let's break down DataStage into bite-sized pieces. It has stages, think of them as workstations, links which connect data flows, and jobs, the engine that runs it all. And like a recipe, metadata ensures everything is correctly defined. Missing metadata is like baking a cake without sugar, not recommended. Before you charge ahead with importing DSX files, take a deep breath and check a few things. Do you have DataStage installed? Are you sure your DSX file isn't from another era? Permissions, do you have them, or will you be pleading with IT later? Let's set things up properly so we're not running into surprises. Finding the DSX file should be easy, unless your desktop is a digital jungle. We need to ensure it's accessible in the right format and not corrupted. And hey, different storage options can make our lives simpler. Let's make sure we're grabbing the right file. Before we even think about clicking import, let's make sure our settings are rock solid. Choose the right file format. It's like picking the right key for a lock. Set your mapping rules so your data knows where to go. Keep validation checks in place. They're the safety nets we love. And let's not forget performance settings, because waiting for slow imports is nobody's idea of fun. Alright, it's showtime. Hit the import button and let the magic begins. Keep an eye on the progress like a hawk. Unexpected surprises aren't always fun. Resolve any minor hiccups along the way. Consider them speed bumps, not roadblocks. And finally, celebrate a successful import. Maybe not with confetti, but a satisfied nod will do. Think of this as a quality check after a delivery. We need to confirm the data arrived in perfect shape, no mix-ups allowed. Check how it integrates with existing records, making sure everything fits together like puzzle pieces. Look out for missing or misaligned bits. Fixing them early saves headaches later. Finally, test functionality because an import isn't truly complete until it works like a charm. As errors happen, don't panic. First, spot the usual suspects in import errors. Then dig into those error logs. They hold the secrets to fixing things. Apply corrective actions like a pro, getting things back on track. And most importantly, tweak your settings so that these errors don't crash your party again. Want to make life easier? Follow best practices. Use templates so you're not reinventing the wheel every time. Ensure data is clean before importing. It's like washing vegetables before cooking. Keep your workflow structured because chaos isn't a good strategy. And don't forget to update your protocols. Staying current means fewer headaches later. Troubleshooting is like detective work. Find the culprit behind failures. Check if compatibility is an issue. Mismatched formats can ruin everything. Run test imports to catch problems before they become disasters. And when all else fails, don't hesitate to call for backup. Support teams exist for a reason. We've covered a lot, but let's wrap it up nicely. Summarize what we've learned, the good, the tricky, and the downright essential. Keep those critical checkpoints in mind so you don't miss a beat. Consider advanced techniques to level up your efficiency. And of course, don't let this be a one-time thing. Regular reviews will keep your import game strong. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.